In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between regular trading hours, or RTH, and electronic trading hours, or ETH, in TradingView. This is a handy feature that can give you a more comprehensive view of the market, ensuring you have all the information needed whether you're focusing on the main trading session or taking into account pre-market and after-hours data. Let's get started by opening your TradingView chart for the instrument you're interested in. This could be a stock, an index, or any financial instrument of your choice. And once you've got your chart open in front of you, you'll want to direct your attention to the lower right-hand corner of the chart window. This is where you'll find the session toggle. This toggle is usually labeled with the current session time frame you're within, such as RTH for regular trading hours. When you're ready to make the switch, simply click on this current session display. This will reveal a menu with options, allowing you to select your desired trading hours. Look for ETH or extended in the list of options. By choosing this, you will then switch the chart to display electronic trading hours. Now, why is this significant? Selecting ETH will allow you to see the complete 24-hour trading period. This includes all the activity that happens in the pre-market session and extends through the after-hours trading. You'll be able to see data that could provide insights into how the market could open, how specific news releases affected stock prices outside standard hours, and more. Conversely, if your focus is strictly on main market sessions, you might choose to use the RTH view. Regular trading hours provides a snapshot that focuses solely on the central trading period of the day. For U.S. markets, this covers the standard session when the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ are officially open, giving you a more focused view without the noise of the extended hours. By having the flexibility to toggle between these two settings, you enhance your technical analysis toolkit. It allows you to adjust your market view according to your trading strategy, whether you need a broader technical context by viewing ETH or a more concentrated focus on the typical trading session with RTH. By incorporating both ETH and RTH data into your analysis, you'll gain a more nuanced understanding of market dynamics, improving your strategic insights and potentially helping refine your trading decisions. So, there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to toggle between different trading hour views in TradingView. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful trading tips and tutorials.